Welcome to Home of Math. This video we will simplify two algebraic fraction. Let's start. Here is two part. One part 3 1 by 2 divide 2 1 by 2 times 1 1 by 2. It's inside bracket. And this expression we will divide by inside bracket 3 1 by 2 divide 2 1 by 2 of 1 1 by 2. Now look, here is 3 1 by 2, here is also 3 1 by 2, here is 2 1 by 2, here is also 2 1 by 2, here is 1 1 by 2, and here is also 1 1 by 2. So some people are just divide this one and will get the result 1. We don't know the result will come 1 or not, but what is the difference between each other? Look, here is a thing what is off, and here is multiplication. So this is make big difference between each other. It means once divide, multiplication and off will come together, we have to do off. Okay, so here is division, but we will not do it first. We should do, or we should close off, right? Now look, this is a all mixed fraction, so we can write 3 times 2 6 plus 1, so 7 by 2 divide, here is 5 by 2 times, here is 3 by 2. Okay, bracket closed. Then divide, here is also same thing, 7 by 2 divide, here is 5 by 2, then off 3 by 2. Now look, here is division sign and multiplication, so we have to work divide. So 7 divide 2 times this fraction will be flip, it means 2 by 5, then times 3 by 2. Okay, then divide, but here 7 by 2 we cannot use multiplication sign because here is off. So for this off we can write 5 times 3, it will be 15, and 2 times 2 is a 4. Okay, this one. So now 7 times 3, it will be 21, divide 5 times 2 is a 10. Now divide, here is 7 divide 2 times it, the fraction will be flip, it means 4 by 15. So we can out this one, here is 2. So now look, 21 divide 10, here is divide, we can write 7 times 2 is a 14, and here is 15. Okay, now look, 21 divide 10 times 15 divide 14. So once you divide by 5, here is 2 and here is 3, and here divide by 7, so here is 3 and here is 2. Now 3 times 3 is a 9 and divide 4, so answer will be what? 2 1 by 4. This is our answer. Now we will start second question. Today's second question, here is also off. Look, question is 1 20 by 23 times start third bracket first 4 5 by 16 divide start second bracket 1 3 by 8 of 5 1 by 2 plus start first bracket 5 divide 7 minus 3 by 14, then first bracket, second bracket, third bracket, everything closed. So first this expression we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 23 times 1 plus 20, it will be 43 divide 23, right? Then times 4 times 16, it will be what? 64. then 69 divide 16. Now divide sign, second bracket start, 8 times 1 8 plus 3, it will be 11 by 8 of 10 plus 1, it will be 11 by 2 plus, here is, look, here is everything is normal fraction and we have to do first bracket work, because as per BIDMAS or PEMDAS, first we have to finish bracket work and obviously first bracket first. So this one, the LCM is 14, so here is 10 and here is 3, right? Then this one we cannot do anything because first we have to finish first bracket work. 43 23 times third bracket 69 divide 16 divide second bracket is 11 divide 8 of 11 divide 2 plus, look, plus 10 minus 3, it will be 7 divide 14, second bracket third bracket, first bracket work done. Now look, 43 divide 23 times 69 divide 16 divide, and then this second bracket we will start and we have to finish off, right? So look, 11 divide 8 of 11 divide 2, so nothing will be divide, therefore 11 times 11 it will be 121 and 8 times 2 it will be 16 and it should inside second bracket plus 7 divide 14, right? Close second bracket. So now 43 divide 23 times third bracket 69 divide 16 divide inside bracket, look, 16 and 14, the LCM is 112, right? 112. So 112 divided 16, it means 7. 7 times 121, it will be 847, right? Then plus 112 divide 14, 8. 8 times 7 is a 56. Okay. Then 43 divide 23 times 16 divide 6, 69 divide 16, here is divide, then 847 plus 56, it will be 903, then 112. Okay. Now look, 43 divide 23 times, so here is, we can write 69 divide 16, divide, we can use multiplication, so next fraction will be flipped, then 112 divide 103. Now carefully we have to solve this one. Look, 69 divide 23, we here is 3, right? Then 112 divide 16, here is 7, right? And 903 divide 43, it will be 7. No, 903 not 7 like this. So 903 divide 3, it will be 301. Then 301 divide 43, it will be 7, and 7 divide 7, so result will be 1. A giant simplification, result only 1. So hope you cleared this one. This kinds of math is very important. Every sign like divide and multiplication are also off. If you are doing a mistake, the result will be wrong. So thank you very much being with me. please subscribe my channel. This channel I will try to simplify lots of fraction and also lots of factorization. Thank you.